The Philippines has encountered various foodborne-related incidents. From the year 2005 to 2008 alone, 209 foodborne disease outbreaks were reported, and the demand for safe foods became louder than ever. With that, the Republic Act 10611, or the Food Safety Act of 2013, was enacted to strengthen the food safety regulatory system in the Philippines for consumer health protection and economic growth. Hence, the Food Safety Regulation Coordinating Board, or FSRCB, was established. The Department of Science and Technology is an active member and contributor of the board, with various food safety initiatives and researches as part of their food safety program. Through these interventions, DOST, with the Philippine Council for Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology Research and Development, or DOSTPH as the steering lead, has collaborated with various institutions, agencies, and academia to fund and support projects that will contribute to DOST's food safety program. One of these projects is the Food Safety Web application, which aims to establish a common platform of food safety information through the development of a website that will serve as portal for projects, researches, trainings, consultancy services, and expert databases related to food safety. To know more about this project, let's listen to the Food Safety Web Applications project leader.
Hi, ako po si Francisco Albert III, project leader ng Food Safety Web Application and currently Supervising Science Research Specialist ng DOST Calabarzon dito sa Los Baños, Laguna. Ang DOST Calabarzon ay may iba't ibang proyekto at ilan sa mga focus ng aming ahensya ay ang mga proyekto tungkol sa disaster risk reduction and management, education, upgrading of livelihood programs, commodity-based products, information systems, and of course, food safety. Ang unang project po kung saan nag-collaborate ang ICT at food safety ay ang establishment and operationalization of the Webinar and Technology Channel or WATCH way back in 2011. Sa WATCH, na-showcase po ang iba't ibang webinars. Mostly po doon ay food safety related kung saan ang aming mga speakers ay mga experts doon sa field ng food safety. Ang DOST Calabarzon din ang nag-lead ng project sa Food Safety Human Resource Development kung saan nakapag-produce ng 6 na modules sa food safety na ginagamit ng mga food safety teams sa iba't ibang panig ng bansa sa pagkukondak ng kanilang mga webinars and trainings related to food safety. Ang mga miyembro rin ng food safety teams ay natulungan ng food safety program para sila ay makapacitate through trainings and workshops noong 2019. Ngunit hindi doon nagtatapos ang aim namin to transfer food safety knowledge or mas mailapit pa natin ang food safety information sa publiko. Kaya nga po ang DOST Calabarzon ay nag-initiate na magawa ng isang proyekto na mag-establish ng food safety web application. Ang food safety web application ay magsisilbing isang one-stop shop para sa publiko dahil dito nila makukuha ang iba't ibang food safety information and standards na ipinatutupad sa buong Pilipinas. Ito ay maglalaman ng food safety related research and development projects, trainings, and consultancy services being offered, laboratory testing services, risk management, resources and downloadables kagaya ng different food safety ordinances, and links to relevant food safety websites and partner agencies. Ang goal ng ating web application ay mapalakas at mapabuti pa ang pagtutulungan ng mga miyembro ng food safety regulatory agencies or FSRAs upang dito nila maibahagi ang kanilang food safety initiatives and services para mas mapadali ang paghahatid ng serbisyo sa publiko.
The Food Safety Web application is a one-year project that will commence this year. With the country's situation during the pandemic, the Food Safety Web application is even more needed, considering the current shift of knowledge and information to the internet. The success of this project hopes to contribute in the prevention of foodborne disease outbreaks in the Philippines, and DOST Calabarzon has always been in line with the aim of DOST's food safety program, and that is to provide safe foods for everyone, by everyone, through science, technology, and innovation.